Well, welcome back, guys. Steve here from mudduckstouringaustralia. Australia. I hope you're enjoying the Pat's 80 series build videos. This is the next part. Last week we left you with Pat attacking this headboard. Hopefully this week we'll get to see the truck looking a lot more closer to being finished. Anyway, really do appreciate you guys watching along and hope you're enjoying the series as I said. Okay guys, we'll get this one edited up for you and hope you enjoy the clip. Cheers for now and we'll see you later.
You just got Raptor coat.
Just Raptor, fucking hard black Raptor.
Yeah. What's it going on?
The tray and that fucking.
The tray that you finished building. Who's that? Is that old boy? Wait for the camera.
Hi. Oh, hi, Josh.
So Paddy's finished building his tray for the 80. Not too bad actually. He's looked for the trundle tray. Got the trundle tray, everything in there. And he's even bought a fucking second-hand bar for his 80 that he's also fixing up and a wrap for that today as well, I believe. Yeah, we'll see how all this goes today, eh boys?
And a nice black Raptor. Provides a lot of imperfections. Looks alright though. The alley sheet for the back sorted, got the one for the light sorted, the back drawer one sorted. Got getting them cut, but peel this off. I'm not gonna peel it off till it's ready because I'm only gonna scratch it. Yeah, coming up alright, if you ask me. Also, just working on this bar as well. Come up alright. The homemade ARB bar. Love me a good Facebook marketplace. Yeah. Oh, that's for my gold cruiser. Obviously, chopped cruiser's not here. It's off getting painted. But we have a real colour turbo. Yeah, getting a bit of work done. Alright. Cheers, guys. Just jumped in the good old 80. Heading over to Brock's. Alright, 444 Customs to paint the shitbox 80. I'll try and film as much as I can. Brock's gonna do a lot of the work. I won't be doing as much, but we'll get there. And I'll film what I can. Alright, so I'm out of here. Down here at Clayto's yard at 444 Customs. Ooh, the camera is hot. It's been sitting in the sun. Getting ready. Whew. This is a guide coat, I think Brock said it was called. Sanding. We'll get this fucking thing sanded up. And then in there, paint the fucking thing. Let's get it done. Bit of sanding on.
I pray for the game and mustaches, but I won't be a part of the masses. There's a war in my heart, gotta play my guitar, gotta practice.
Quick film. As it comes in, ooh, mighty FZ. As it comes into the boot. Got extra room. Yeah, straighten up. She's in. Alright, well, I'm not going to be any long because Brock told me I'll contaminate the paint. What are we doing, Brock?
We've got some paint on this piece of shit.
Yeah. We got some paint on this piece of shit. Give it a quick wipe down. Me and Brock just spent the afternoon sanding this bitch. Or for me to go bush bashing. How do you feel about that, Brock?
I'm glad we didn't spend too long.
Yeah. Yeah. We're glad. We are very glad about that.
Nah, mate, come on, mate.
It's going to be heaps of fun. Brock himself's just got himself a 79 series.
Yeah, I'm not going to drive like this, bro.
Yeah. That's to be seen.
Yeah, we'll see. I'll say that now.
I won't bore you all with this. I'll try and do some cool videos for Brock. Brock does a custom bike page. Don't judge this paint job because this is what it is. It's
This is for you.
Yeah, this is a piece of shit. I'm gonna bash it. I've told Brock that's what it's gonna be. If anyone wants to follow Brock, 444 Customs, great painter. If you ever want your Harley painted, cars he might do, but maybe not after this.
Only if it's bullshit.
Only if it's cool. Alright.
You don't have to go now. I won't let you down. I don't know.
Shaky.
I normally put a topper on it so I didn't make a fucking mess like I have so this can cover, but we're gonna find out.
We're gonna have to cover the whole car. Look at the fucking colour in the fucking thing.
Oh no, not this one, but yeah, apparently there's no ground coat needed, so we're gonna fuck around and find out, aren't we?
Look at that. It's pretty looking.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful looking. It's pretty. It's dirty. Metal wood.
See how she goes up.
You don't even have to mix that.
Let's mix.
Oh, you're doing it now. Brock's mixing it.
My theory is I'd rather shake it in here where it's not getting contaminated by a fucking stick.
Well, in there it's sealed.
Yeah, that's my logic.
I'll give Brock that. That champagne gold looks very silver. This is going to be very hard for him to paint. Obviously I can't get in there and film because I'll contaminate, but so far, what I can see, it looks alright. I've got another camera going on the other side for Mr. Duck. Oh, channel 10. See what we come up with. Before all you sticking around, this is the exciting stuff. Get it painted so we can go den it, eh? That sounds good to me.
Might as well call it poison.
Just a quick update, as Brock described it to me. The colour being metallic didn't take to being multicolour before, so he's laid down a black, or he's going to lay down the gold. I chose the most expensive and worst colour for a bush basher, but I like the colour, so fuck it. It is 11 o'clock at the moment. We're still painting. Oh, it looks fucking silver, bro. Not Brock. That was Patrick. Didn't want to fucking repair. Wasn't worth it. Slightly going back together. Just working on the shit box, getting some stuff done. Other GoPro's gone flat, so I don't have a stand, so I'm not even gonna try and set it up. But where are we at? I'm looking for a socket. Woo! Fancy colours. Zinny. Got this cheapo sound deadening stuff. It's not cheap, but it's not the master car build that everyone else uses. Everyone else master car build. They want to sponsor, I'll do the whole car, but they're not gonna, so we're gonna use the old cheapo. At the moment I've got a few sheets left from when I did my other 80, so I'm just going to lay a few down. Obviously got to pull all these brackets off. I'll probably get across the back done today, so I'll get the seat out, all that sort of stuff. I ain't going to film it because I don't have a camera, but whew, she's looking good at the minute. She had a good arvo putting it all back together. Added me some pinch weld. Didn't have to, but I don't know. I actually reckon it makes it kind of look a bit neater. But we're getting there. Oh boy, he's gonna put this fucking window back in tomorrow. And we'll go from there. I'm still waiting on a couple bits of alloy. Been a bit lazy, haven't gone and picked them up, but I'll pick them up. So I put the tray on, then get the lights wired in. It's been a pretty good workbench for the minute though. My cute little meter trundle drawer. I reckon this thing's going to be the best thing for recovery gear. Just recovery gear, maybe a small toolbox. Saves me having to put a box on the back, just spare tyre, or maybe a box chainsaw, but you know what I mean. I'm so keen to wheel this thing. I just want to scratch it. Den it and scratch it. Yeah, only in the master. Oh, it's not even the master thing. I'm gonna get in the sound deadening. That door handle doesn't work anymore. Need another one. But I'm gonna get into doing this. Once this is done, obviously it'll be smack. Alright, I'll set yous up. Filming's gonna be crap because I don't have a tripod because that camera went dead. Usual and forgot to film. Fucking hell, Josh. Blame you. Doing Steve's job, as always, filming, but no wiring. Cleaning up all this excess wire. Do we know what we're doing, Josh?
Absolutely not.
Not a fucking clue.
Don't ask for any opinions or advice because we have no idea.
No idea. I think they're the ones we need. I've labelled them. We'll find out tomorrow. But I haven't been filming. I've gotten a bit lazy. I don't know if you can see anything there. Yep.
Wow.
Wiring going on. As you all know, Andrew up here doing the wiring because Patrick is hopeless. Missed it all. I was too busy. All up in there somewhere.
Well, I'm not going to give you a very good look at this from this angle, but Pat has escaped, so he actually forgot I was coming. So this is in his driveway, so it's very hard to show you too much as to what he's done to it on this particular camera, but you'll see it in assorted bits of footage anyway. But she's looking pretty cool. Got flashy side steps on it. It's got a few scratches. He's taken it out oiling. I didn't get around to going with him for that. But the tray's looking pretty snash. Snash? What's snash? The tray's looking pretty flash. Looks like it's all been replicated or something. Got the trundle drawer in it now, so yeah, she's coming up pretty good. Glass is all in it obviously because you've been out using it, so very nice. Anyway, I thought I'd give you that little perspective while I'm here. So I'll disappear again and go back to downloading cards. But at least I've been able to sneak in here and do it even when Pat's not around. Isn't that spooky? Well, that's where we're going to end this one, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the series, perhaps consider subscribing or becoming a channel member to support the channel. But you don't have to, just chuck a like on it, that's all we really ask. Anyway, we will see you on the next episode. So take care, all the best from Steve and Kaz at Mud Ducks Touring Australia and from Pat and the crew at Kaz Pam Welding and Rigging. Cheers for now.